Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Bilal Said. Today I will tell you how can you install remote desktop on your Chrome browser. Just open the Chrome and write here Chrome remote desktop and press enter. Here it is Chrome remote desktop. Click on it and it will give you a page. Here Chrome remote desktop. Click add to Chrome. Add app and now wait. It is now downloading. Here you can see. Once the download will complete, you can run it. You're watching that it is now downloading. It is about 4 MB and now it is going to complete. It is added to your Chrome browser now. You see it opens another page and it is your remote desktop gadget. Close it and close it now. Whenever you start your Chrome, you can write here Chrome : // and APPS apps. It will show you your this gadget. Click on it and remote assistance. If you want to share your computer with someone or want to access someone's computer's screen on your display, you can get started and here two buttons. If you want to share your screen, just share and it will generate a code for you. You have to only tell this code to your partner and he can access your screen. Or if you want to access someone's screen for technical assistance, you should press this button access and your partner will tell you the code and you will write here the code and click continue. In this way you can share your screen and you can remotely control any of the computer with your partner and you can provide him or get technical supports. This Chrome remote desktop also offers you to access your own computer from anywhere. You can click here by this button and you can press enable remote connection. You can set here your pin of at least 6 numbers and then press OK, and then you can remotely access your computer from any of your device. In this way you can get Chrome desktop remote desktop gadget or extension free of cost. It is best alternatives of TeamViewer or other screen share or your computer share applications. Thanks for watching.